In this video, we're going to continue on with our draw tools, but we're going to have a go at using the eraser. So if you head up to your draw option up here and then click on eraser, we get a few different options. Now the default is generally on stroke eraser. Now what that's going to do in our first example, if I click over our drawing of a square here, it's going to delete it straight away. So you can see I didn't have to rub that all out. All I had to do was simply click on near it and identifies it all as one big shape and gets rid of it. Now the other options you have is small, medium and large. So we're going to have a look at small so you can see how big the size of the little square is. And you can see as I'm deleting stuff there, it's not very big and it's quite slow to delete stuff. So if that was a lot thicker, it would take me a lot longer to delete that. But if I move up to the large eraser, for example, you can see how much bigger that square is. So now if I'm deleting big chunks of this, it's a lot easier to delete and go back and get rid of stuff, but obviously the quickest and easiest way to get rid of stuff is if you're using the stroke eraser. So I'm going to get you guys to have a go at using each one of those and see the difference between using different types of erasers on OneNote for Mac.